Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to make aloo paratha today. Aloo paratha, aloo means potato, paratha means flatbread. We potato stuffed flatbread. So for this I took any potato you can take. I took the golden yellow potato, one of it, boiled it, peeled it and mashed it. You need to cook it very well like a mashed potato, how you cook it for the mashed potato, and mash it well, no lumps or anything. And we need to add some spices to it. So what all the spices we need, it's up to us. Like I used here salt, green chili powder, red chili powder, I'm sorry, and coriander powder. All this is not the quantity I'm showing here. I used a little bit of everything. Like it's hard to say how much it is, maybe 1/8 of a teaspoon. This is the cumin powder, and this is salt, and green chilies, one green chili finely chopped, and this is optional. You can put more red chili powder instead of this, and coriander finely chopped. So fresh cilantro, I'm sorry, finely chopped. Add all of those to the mashed potato and mix it well. Actually, I didn't show it in the picture here. I mashed it with hand finally, like the spoon was not doing a very good job, so I mixed it with spoon or fork didn't help. So I just mashed it with hand and made 2 balls of it. Just one potato I made. It's about not a very large, it's a medium sized potato. So I made 2 balls of it, and see, that's the one ball I'm showing you. Like later on I made it 2. So in another bowl I took about a 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour. Whole wheat flour, if you buy it in an Indian store, it would be better. And I took about a quarter cup of water. I didn't need all that water. I just need maybe about half or little more than half of water. I mixed it very well, kneaded it for a long time, and made a ball and covered it with a wet paper towel and kept it aside for about 10 minutes. And then I made into 2 pieces that dough. One piece I took and on the rolling pin, with a rolling pin, I just made a small flatbread kind of thing. Like I rolled it into a small piece, and I didn't roll it all the way. And then I took one of the potato ball and put it in there, in the middle of it, and covered it with pick the edges of the flat bread and dough. Actually, I cannot call it bread, it's not cooked yet, and made it to a ball like that and turn it over on the other side. I started rolling it again. I'll show you how I did it. Yeah, see, this is how I rolled it into a big bread and fried it on the pan. I just brushed with brush or the oil with brush. I didn't want too much. If you like, you can put a spoonful on each side. It is we use very little oil, so I just brushed it lightly on both sides. Once this side is done, turn it over and do the other side also. Cook well and take it out into a plate. Do the same process with the other one also. So with one medium sized potato and about 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour, I could make 2 of those. Don't try to make it very thin, then all the potato will come out. So make sure it's going to be a little thicker, but it's going to taste really good. People usually eat this with several different curries or pickle or something like that. Indian pickle, I'm not talking of the gravy of the Indian pickle, and also yogurt, plain yogurt is very good with this. Or actually, they put a big chunk of butter on it before eating, like, I will show you that, but I'm not a big fan of that. So if you want, you can use that like that. Hope you like my video. If you do, please subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Try this one and let me know if you have any comments. Thank you.